instance life cycle or different state of an instance. So whenever we are creating Amazon EC2 instance, it passes through different states which are pending, running, shutting down, terminate or rebooting. So AMI stands for Amazon machine image. Once we choose the machine image, launch the instance, first it enter into the pending state. After that it converted into running state. From running state either it reboot or it stop. So when we stop it, it moved to the hibernate state and finally it stopped. Otherwise, if we click on terminate, then the state changed to shutting down and finally it shows terminated. Now if the state is stopped, then not build, shutting down not build, terminated not build. So if any of the state the instance have either stopped or shutting down or terminated, then AWS do not impose any bill for the non-using of the instance, as it is on demand or pay as you go model. Now when we start and stop, the IP address of the instance gets changed every time, as it uses dynamic allocation of IP address. Hence the IP address gets changed every time we start and stop the instance. So for that, sign in to AWS Management Console, search for EC2 instances. In the EC2 dashboard, it shows the instances that are in running state. Currently we do not have any instance, but we can see the instance state. So the different state are stop state or stop instance, start instance, reboot instance, hibernate instance and terminate instance. Similarly, the action we can perform on the instances are connect. We can see the details, manage of the instance setting, network setting, security. All these things can be done once we create the instance. So how to create the instance? It has already been discussed. So click on launch instance. After that, choose the AMI, set the configuration, VPC, security group, generate the key pair if it is required. Otherwise, proceed without key pair. And after that, we can successfully able to create the instance. Once the instance is being created, it shows the metadata related to the instance, and we can apply any of the action on that instance.